This stuff looks kind of harmless, right? Well, I know that some of you out there break out into a rash if you have to load this into your string trimmer or if you've got to advance it in your string trimmer by using the bump head. Well, today I have the solution for you. It's right here. This is the brand new EGO Line IQ string trimmer, and it deals with those two pain points. So let me show you how easy it is to load string into this EGO Line IQ. Now I'm going to warn you, you do not want to blink because it's going to happen that fast. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is locate the head of your string trimmer. It looks like this piece up here. Find one of those eyelets right there, grab your string, push it into the eyelet. Look, it magically comes out the other side. There's no aligning or any arrows you need to follow. When you're done with that, you push this button, and guess what, guys? It is that easy to load string into this string trimmer, so problem one, it's off the list. Now let's move on to problem two, and that is advancing the string while you're operating the trimmer. And EGO has fixed that problem as well. It's called the Line IQ, which means it automatically adds the string as it needs it. It's that easy. So for this section, what I want you to do is I want you to count how many times I have to bump the string trimmer on the ground.
All right, count the bumps with me. Oh, 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 oh. Did I see a bump there? No, I wanted to see a bump. I did not see a bump. Now I'm lying. Oh, 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 oh. Why you invite count to count bumping where there is no bumping?
So it's that simple, guys. The way I see it is you have two ways to go with a string trimmer. There's the old, frustrating way, sort of the way our dads did it, and there's this way. I'm getting the feel that you guys are like, woo. So you guys know the deal. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to find out more about this amazing string trimmer, there's a video right there that you're going to want to check out. Oh, 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 oh.